Yo, what's up? It's Patrick from Guy in the Cube, and people often ask me, hey Patrick, can you give me some tips on presenting, or can you sit in my session and then provide some feedback? So I decided to do a video to share my top 5 speaking tips. Stay tuned. If you're finding this for the very first time, be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date from all the videos from both Adam and this guy. All right, speaking. I love to give presentations, especially in-person presentations. You know, this new world, this world that we're living in now, everything's remote, and I'm kind of struggling, right? I like to do the YouTube videos, but I miss the interaction. A lot of times when I was speaking in person, even now remote, people will ask me or come up to me and go, Patrick, seems like you're pretty good at this presentation things. What are some of your top tips that you give presenters? And so I decided, let's do a video. So I'm gonna give you my top 5 things. You guys know what I like to do? Let's do what? Let's wait. There's no laptop in this video. This is a non-tech video. This is probably my first non-tech video. Anyway, enough of all this talking. Let's just get into this, okay? So, number 1, most important thing, if you're gonna do a presentation and you're showing some code or you're trying to show people things on the screen to help your audience out, use a tool like ZoomIt. If you open up your favorite search engine, which is Bing, type in ZoomIt, you can download it for free. It's for free, and learn how to use it. Control 1 zooms into the screen. Or use some tool like it. Some piece of software like it. There's tons of them out there. There's a magnifier on your PC that you can use. So just help your audience out and zoom in on the code, zoom in on the section of the screen that you're trying to show them. I promise you, they will appreciate it. And if you watch our live stream, you probably hear Adam, I can't see it. It's too small. Patrick, can you zoom in? I mean, that's what he says every time, all right? Use some tool like ZoomIt. Number 2, if you use slides, do not write paragraphs in your slides, you know, like line after line after line after line after line. Don't kill us with the PowerPoint. Don't put all these paragraphs and then turn around and read the slides. Are you kidding me? Just put the talking points in your slides and use those talking points so you can keep pace, or at least know what you're going to talk about. But if you want to put those paragraphs, use a note section in your slides. Only put the major things that people need to grasp when that slide is up on the screen. Don't give me paragraphs of it, because I'm probably going to get up and just walk away. Number 3, if you try and you don't succeed, don't give up. You give your first presentation, it doesn't go that great, it's okay. If you go back and watch some of the first videos that I did on Guy in the Cube, they were awful. I won't even watch them. Adam and I won't go back and watch the earlier videos because they are some of the worst things I've ever seen in my life. But I didn't quit. Talk to Adam, talk to other people. They gave me some feedback, and the videos kept getting better and better. And you guys like them. I think you like them. But if you don't, let me know in the comments below. Anyway, if you don't succeed the first time, if you think it's awful the first time, talk to some people, get some advice, make the presentation better the next time, all right? Number 4, you guys have been watching this video. What do you notice about this video? My personality. Show your personality in your presentation. If you meet me in person, you're meeting this guy, the guy that you see in the video. For everyone that's met me, they probably go, yep, he's the same person in person. I hate the presenter that gets up there and that presenter does this. We're gonna talk about DAX today. The first thing you need to know about DAX. Are you kidding me? DAX is so exciting. Power BI is so exciting. Data warehouse is so exciting. Show people how excited you are about it. Let them see your personality. Number 5, engage your audience. Look at me, I'm going back and forth. You know, one thing that I like to do when I present, I always get to my presentation early, and then I go out in the audience and I look for people that I don't know, and I walk up to them and I introduce myself and I go, hey, my name's Patrick. What's your name? A lot of times people go, Patrick, I know you. We met such and such, and I'm a little embarrassed, but hey, you know, then I'll remember them next time. So try to engage your audience. Make some time after the presentation. If you can, you don't have to finish your presentation and then you're out. Take some time to get to know your audience and let them get to know you, right? You want to be a very approachable person. You never know the connection you're going to make. This is how I got on Guy in the Cube. I met Adam because we were somewhere at some presentation. He and I started chatting, and before you know it, we're like besties now. All right. Okay. So before I go, I want to give you one bonus tip. Do some prep. If you're going to show some demos, practice your demos. If you're going to go through some PowerPoint slides, practice your PowerPoint slide. Patrick, why isn't this one of your top 5? Because often Adam and I don't do it. We don't prep. Imagine if we did prep, how much better our presentations would be. Adam and I talk about this a lot. You should do some preparation for your presentation. Some people have to memorize their entire presentation. All right, what do you guys think? What are your top presentation tips? I'd love to know. Post them where? in the comments below. If it's your first time visiting the Guy in the Cube channel, hit that subscribe button. If you like my video, big thumbs up. As always, from Adam and myself, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.